the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals just granted an injunction against the ATF's pistol brace rule in the case Mock v. Garland. So this case was originally brought by two Texans who owned pistol braces by the name of William Mock and Christopher Lewis, as well as Maxim Defense, who sells a lot of guns that utilize pistol braces, and the Firearm Policy Coalition, which is a gun rights legal group. For those that don't know, the Fifth Circuit of Appeals covers Louisiana, Mississippi, and Texas. They're like the final bosses of the judicial system. They review appeals from lower courts to ensure the law is applied correctly and fairly. And their decisions have major ripple effects, shaping how the law is interpreted and enforced throughout their jurisdiction. And that's just it. It's not really clear if this injunction applies to only the plaintiffs in this case, or also the people within the jurisdiction of the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals, or anyone who owns a Maxim Defense firearm with the brace and or is a member of FPC, or does it apply nationally? We don't know. Currently, the ATF requires anyone who owns a gun with a pistol brace either remove or destroy the brace or register the brace firearm with ATF and pay a $200 tax before May 31st. If you don't do this, then you technically be committing a felony and could be arrested. However, this injunction says the ATF can't start arresting people until the appeals court makes a ruling on the rule, regardless if it's before or after May 31st. In short, as long as this case is still going on, the ATF can't do anything regarding their brace rule. We just don't know exactly who they can't do anything to, as I pointed out earlier. FPC has already requested clarification on the injunction so that we can know who was covered by this injunction. The senior attorney for constitutional litigation at FPC stated, "We intend to ask the court for additional information about who was covered under the injunction, but cannot stress enough just how important this decision is. The fight is far from over, but this is a huge victory in the battle against the ATF's unconstitutional and unlawful brace rule." Personally, if you ask me, the ATF's pistol brace rule is pure insanity. The ATF isn't supposed to be able to create laws, but that's exactly what they're doing with this rule. Not to mention the ATF literally said that they were legal years ago and then changed their mind after millions of people bought the firearms with braces on them thinking that they were legal. So if the ATF rule is upheld, just like that, millions of people will become felons, all because of a piece of plastic that was designed to help the disabled better exercise their Second Amendment right. If that's not an overt infringement, I don't know what is. I know some of y'all are wondering, wait, is Colion Noir a girl dad? No, I don't have any kids, but a lot of you who are watching this video are girl dads. And that's why we came out with our new girl dad design on shop.mrcolionnoir.com. So for all you girl dads out there who want to make sure that nobody lays a finger on their daughter and want to let that be known to the world, go ahead and head over to shop.mrcolionnoir.com and get your girl dad merch today. We also got them in this new design of our, tumblers. Have them in shirts, hats as well. So yeah, go over there, shop.mrcolionnoir.com. Oh, and then there's also, of course, I guess you're not here for, the alcohol and tobacco, because we all know, ATF. Guns aren't political. That's why I need your help getting this message to spread on YouTube by clicking the thumbs up button, leaving a comment to let me know what you think of the video, then subscribing to the channel. But most importantly, click that bell symbol. For products featured in this video, click the links in the description.